Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best Bluetooth speakers for bike that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is KSPEAKER Motorcycle Bluetooth Speaker. The KSPEAKER KSK2BL Bluetooth waterproof audio system is built for motorcycle and scooter users seeking a reliable way to enjoy music on the road. Designed with a sturdy metal shell and polished finish, it fits various two-wheeled vehicles including ATVs. This compact stereo system includes a pair of 3-inch full-range speakers built to deliver clear, consistent sound during rides. Its built-in amplifier means no extra setup is needed. Users can enjoy music without adding external devices, keeping the process simple. With Bluetooth connectivity, riders can link their smartphones or music players and stream playlists or audio from different mobile applications. The radio option adds flexibility by providing access to FM stations anytime while traveling. Made to operate on 12-volt vehicles, this sound unit blends ruggedness with daily usability. The waterproof structure helps keep the system protected during wet or unpredictable weather, making it suitable for outdoor use. A simple knob-based interface offers hassle-free controls without complicated settings. Easy to install on standard handlebars ranging between 7/8 and 1.25 inch, it allows riders to set up and start using quickly. Whether taking a city commute or heading out on a country trail, this audio accessory brings entertainment along for the ride. With a compact design and durable build, it adds a mix of convenience and performance for any rider looking to enjoy audio while on the move. Suitable for everyday use on various 12-volt motorcycles or similar vehicles. In our list, the number 2 product name is Boss Motorcycle Bluetooth Speaker. Boss Audio Systems MC420B motorcycle speaker and amplifier audio sound system offers a music experience for riders on motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, and utility task vehicles. The system includes 2 3-inch full-range chrome speakers designed to work with handlebar sizes ranging from 0.75 to 1.25 inch. These speakers support outdoor riding and are compatible with 12-volt electrical systems. A Class D amplifier comes with the setup and has been treated with weather-resistant methods. This compact amplifier enhances sound while staying protected from changing weather conditions. Users can connect smartphones or media players using Bluetooth, making it easier to stream music from various mobile applications. The amplifier also includes a 3.5mm auxiliary input for wired audio connections when needed. Volume adjustment is simplified with an inline control connected directly to the amplifier. This feature allows riders to manage music levels while keeping their focus on the road. The system operates wirelessly and lets users access streaming services without physical cables. Built to handle different riding conditions, the device delivers sound performance and remains functional during wet or unpredictable weather. Its structure and components are created to withstand vibrations and bumps often found during off-road or highway travel. Ideal for outdoor adventures or daily commutes, this audio solution brings sound to motorcycles or utility vehicles. Whether cruising through city streets or exploring trails, the system allows riders to enjoy music through a dependable and compact setup. In our list, the number 3 product name is Kuryakyn Motorcycle Bluetooth Speaker. Kuryakyn 2720 MTX Road Thunder Soundbar Plus is designed for motorcycles that need powerful audio on the move. This handlebar-mounted system delivers 300-watt output and comes in a satin black finish, built for various riding environments. Its body fits most bars ranging from 7/8 to 1 1/2 inch, using universal articulating clamps made for easy installation. The internal 4-channel amplifier sends power to dual 2x3 full-range speakers. These are built with dual voice coils and matched with 4 1-inch silk dome tweeters using N42 grade magnets. This combination supports distortion-free performance, even when volume is high, ensuring sound clarity across different speeds and noise levels. It includes an integrated 4.1 Bluetooth receiver, which lets riders stream audio directly from compatible mobile phones or other devices. The system also allows additional input and output through auxiliary ports, offering options for wired connections. Riders can connect standard audio players using a 3.5mm cable. The housing is constructed with a durable IP66 rating, helping it stay protected from weather conditions during long rides. A built-in heat sink and self-protection circuit control heat levels and manage voltage stability. For added convenience, a 1.0 amp USB charging port is placed on the end cap to keep mobile devices powered. Made to match both function and design, this sound system stands out on roads while delivering consistent audio for riders and passengers. In our list, the number 4 product name is Boss Audio System Motorcycle Bluetooth Speaker. Boss Audio System's MC4700B is built for riders who want dependable sound performance while traveling. This motorcycle speaker and amplifier sound system brings audio directly to handlebars and supports stereo output using a Bluetooth connection. Its design fits motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, and utility terrain vehicles, offering flexibility for various outdoor vehicles. The system comes with a compact 2-channel amplifier that supports wireless connections. Riders can stream music from smartphones or media devices and enjoy access to mobile apps like Spotify and Pandora without needing wired connections. A 3.5mm auxiliary input on the amplifier allows easy link to other compatible devices. Two 3-inch full-range speakers work with the amplifier to deliver clear output. The IPX5 rating provides resistance to low-pressure water from any direction, which is useful when riding through light rain or wet conditions. A weather-resistant design helps protect audio components from the elements without reducing performance. The amplifier, speakers, and mounting brackets are included for setup. While installation is straightforward, professional assistance is suggested for proper function and safety. The compact amplifier is small enough for discreet placement, making it suitable for limited space on smaller vehicles. Designed with 12-volt input, the system integrates smoothly with standard motorcycle power sources. Backed by a platinum 3-year warranty from the official online dealer, it offers long-term confidence when purchased through Amazon. This sound solution supports riders looking to upgrade their journey with reliable and accessible music playback. In our list, the number 5 product name is LEXIN Q3 Motorcycle Bluetooth Speaker. LEXIN Q3 Motorcycle sound system delivers sound performance while keeping style in mind. The 3-inch full-range speakers are designed for riders who want clear audio even during fast travel. With wireless Bluetooth version 5.1, this handlebar-mounted unit allows simple streaming from phones or Bluetooth-enabled music sources. Built for use on a wide range of vehicles, the system fits handlebars between 7/8 and 1 1/4 inch. It works well with motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, utility terrain vehicles, and similar rides. Chrome finish on the metal housing gives the equipment a polished appearance that blends with different styles. Riders can enjoy stereo or deep bass with a double press of the volume down button to change between sound settings. The system also includes a built-in radio with FM support, so you can keep up with music or updates while riding. The external antenna helps maintain clear signal strength. A small 3-button design allows easy control of essential functions. This setup includes a built-in light that can act as a turn signal when connected to the motorcycle's wiring. It adds both design and road safety by flashing with directional changes. Rated IP67, the unit protects against water, rain, and fog. USB support gives extra audio options by letting you play music from a flash drive. Whether riding through towns or traveling long roads, This system helps make each trip better with reliable sound and simple operation. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.